Intro, 0 o'clock to 0:20. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of the Apple Watch Series 10, focusing on the all-new Ultra Bands and advanced features like GPS and NFC. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, tech lover, or a style-conscious user, this video is for you. Apple Watch Series 10 Overview, 0:21 to 1 o'clock. The Apple Watch Series 10 is more powerful, more durable, and more connected than ever. Apple has packed this watch with a faster chip, better battery life, and enhanced sensors for health and fitness tracking. But one of the standout features this year is the updated compatibility with Ultra Bands, giving users more flexibility and rugged performance. Apple Watch Ultra Bands Review, 101 to 140. The Ultra Bands are designed for extreme durability. Made for outdoor adventures, these bands are sweat-resistant, waterproof, and built to handle any environment, whether you're hiking, swimming, or at the gym. They also come in bold, vibrant colors and materials like Alpine Loop, Trail Loop, and Ocean Band, offering both comfort and strength. GPS feature explained, 141 to 210. The built-in GPS allows you to leave your phone at home and still track your run, hike, or ride with precision. It connects fast, stays accurate, and works even in remote areas. Perfect for fitness tracking and outdoor explorers. NFC feature explained, 211 to 240. NFC stands for Near Field Communication. With the Apple Watch Series 10, you can use Apple Pay, unlock smart doors, and pair with devices instantly. It's a small chip with big power, keeping your wrist truly smart and contactless. Battery life and charging, 241 to 3 o'clock. With improved power efficiency, the Series 10 offers up to 36 hours of battery life with low power mode. And yes, it supports fast charging, getting you back to full in under an hour. Final thoughts, 301, end. The Apple Watch Series 10 Plus Ultra Bands combo is a total game changer. You get next-level tech, unmatched durability, and sleek design all in one device. Let me know in the comments, which band do you like the most? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more smart gadget reviews. Explore the power of the Apple Watch Series 10 paired with the rugged and stylish Ultra Bands. This video breaks down everything you need to know about the GPS and NFC features, band options, battery life, and why this might be the best smartwatch for you in 2025. Want to learn more or buy it? Click the link in the description for full details and the best deals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tech videos. Thanks for watching.